Welcome back to my channel, where I bring you the latest and greatest products from Amazon. Today, I have an exciting review for you on the AIMS-EN ATDQR portable countertop dishwasher. This compact mini dishwasher is a game-changer when it comes to convenience and efficiency in your kitchen. Let's dive right into the features of this amazing dishwasher. The ae-tdqr comes with upper and lower rotating spray arms that provide corner-to-corner coverage, ensuring that every dish is thoroughly cleaned. With a washing temperature range of, this dishwasher can dissolve even the toughest grease stains, transforming crusty, greasy, or messy dishes into clean, ready-to-use place settings. One of the standout features of this dishwasher is its water-saving capabilities. Compared to manual dishwashing, the ae-tdqr uses only gallons of water, reducing water consumption by a staggering %. Not only does it save water, but it also consumes only kWh of electricity per cycle, making it an eco-friendly choice for your kitchen. The ae-tdqr is designed with practicality in mind. Its compact size and dimensions of